Guten Tag, it's Haley. We are taking a look at earthquake, or how we say in German, earthquake. I don't know. There is apparently new place in United States called no nearby locations in database. It is 6.1, so I pulled it up over here. Apparently this is now part of, well, actually I don't know, is it Alaska? This is the United States, all the way over. They don't call it the Ring of Fire for nothing, or the Ring of Fire, I think. I don't know. Here are the National Weather Hazards map, where stuff is happening. Here's where it's hot or dry or both or something, and it's a fire-related thing. Here's also a fire-related thing. I'm apparently going to have to become quite familiar with these new wintry colors. We have, what is that? It is frost advisory, I think there, and we have freeze warning and then flood warning up the Missouri. So that is a freeze. Oh, it's not even. That is very confusing. What is that doing? Oh, that might be severe weather statement. See, to me, those look to be the exact same shades of blue, but perhaps they're not. Frost advisory. No, I keep winter weather advisory. That is what is happening there. All the shades, they're like the same. That's, I guess, purple, and that's blue, and that is quite light blue, blau. Here is where the place is trocken, if that was the word, I don't remember. So that always looks like that. It's always Texas, very dry, and Oklahoma, Kansas, New Mexico, and a smidge of Arizona. Mit the drought conditions. Here is who it will be getting the precipitation in next 5 days. Apparently, place like New Mexico, a little bit of Colorado. It might be snow. Who knows with winter weather advisory. Kansas, Missouri, and something over there. I don't know what that is. Is that South Carolina, Virginia, North Carolina? It's some state over there. Here's who's flooded. There are 32 locations in flood, and they are all over there. Here, let's take a look again at major flooding. Texas, of all places, where they have severe drought, apparently they also have severe water. Water, right, severe. I don't know. We have an upgrade to the Outlook. If you happen to look at the page earlier, these are new. These are slight risks on account of upgraded chance of wind and hail. See, in the last Outlook, those areas were not there. So there's your 15% chance of some wind and 5% chance back there. And there's your probability of hail, severe hail, and here are your probabilities that you will see a Wirbelsturm, a tornado, I believe is how you say in American, I don't know, twister, like the movie. Here is tomorrow's map, of which I have no idea what to make of that, so we switch on over to here where we can say, 5% chance, 5% in Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas, right? That was a little bit Scottish. I don't know. 10% chance. 10, I don't know. Those. Maria, again, with stuff not happening. At least. Maria, she was supposed to be a hurricane. She never turned into a hurricane as far as I know. But, I don't look at the National Hurricane Center website all day long. Maybe she was briefly a hurricane. Anyway. The models are still saying no, not gonna be hitting the United States, right? So hey, today with this long line of precipitation, perhaps you go over to the Wicked Wix and see what is happening there, right? So that's WICK edwx.com or something along those lines, right? Auf Wiedersehen. Take it easy. Nimm die Bleistift. We'll just go with that. I know that word. Actually, I think it's Dane Bleistift. Whatever. We go away from that tangent now.